Good evening, my brothers and sisters all over the world. Good evening, is your girl, your sister, your friend, Wisdom Go TV show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you and God bless you. Please, I bet we won't talk about small thing. But if you know where Vera, they will help me call her or will help me share this video so that I could reach where she did. I beg, help me share her so that I could finish where Vera did. Vera, I used to say I still give you small advice concerning what they go on for YouTube. We concern you and your children for Nigeria. You see, they say as you born for Nigeria, you come here, you can't forget say you get children for home. Don't be like that. You know, say I say for this Europe will come, many people come in different purposes. Some come because of their mama, some come because of their papa, some come because of their brothers and sisters, while some come because of themselves. Some still come, most especially some come because of their children. For those who don't first born for household. You now which purpose you take come? Me, I believe in the purpose of your children. Let make you come here. So as you can come here, then you just forget about the children like that. When I watch one video for Mommy Love Talk Show, according to your husband, he say don't reach 4 years we then hear from you reach. But you self you dey try. How you just dey at least for 4 good years? You fit eat, you fit sleep, you fit drink water, you fit bath, you fit rest. Without you, you no go even see the children wey you born, wey you carry for good 9 months for belle. May you sit down, may you reason am. So I come say I can't tell you, I can't advise you small. You know say as you dey so now, you believe say now for Europe na as you dey Europe so na the ultimate, that is na here na you fit come reach. You no get any other place again because according to them, they say na Europe they define money rich. Really, na here we define, na they define money rich. But they say they find money for Nigeria. But you see, I say many people dey this Europe, many no make am. But many dey Nigeria wey even make am pass the way dey this Europe. Depends on how person take serious and still depends on how family still stand for person. But I customer still give you this little advice. You know why? You dey this Europe now, you believe say na everything all and all. But you can't forget one thing, say here wa gbogbo o worry, adweki o worry. You can't forget say as you dey so, you just still young, you dey vibrant, you dey okay, you fine, you everything dey okay with you. You believe say you no fit suffer again. But you know you can't forget one thing for front, say old age go come. Old age e dey, yes, e go come. And as I say get am for one belief, say no be everybody dey this Europe go your fit stay this Europe till e old. Many go wan go home. As Europe dey now, e don tire many people. But wetin person go do? Na many still dey here. Understand me? Old age e go come. You one day you carry back say you wan go down your country, go sit down. Now who you can't believe go come carry your responsibility that time? As e be say now you abandon these children. Now that same children, now then these ones wey you born for Europe now, they no go get that time for you. Because why? The system wey they come meet for here, where you born them, put for inside here. As we all dey this Europe, so the system where we dey operate for here, no be the one with those ones wey dey Nigeria they operate. Now so it still be for those children wey they born for here. You no come believe and say pikin wey they born for here, me you come see me come go the learn system of Nigeria. E no fit dey possible. Now the system wey you meet for here, now you go learn. The system must say now let my belle, now they know. If you see Oyibo people, now let their belle, only their family, only their wife, their children, now they know. You as a mother, if you go dey disturb them, they go tell you say me you know they come their house again. That is what Oyibo. So now that system me I still believe say our children who born for here go still learn. If you as a mother wey dey here, you no hold your side well, for front you go regret am, because they no go get that time. Even if they get that time, na few wey go still get that time. Na those ones wey be say im papa and im mama dey carry dey go that Nigeria every time. E come make am understand say na there im as the papa for come, na there wey im be mama for come, no be here. So na those kind children na go still get that feeling say if mama don old or rather my papa don old, I need to still take care of them. Depends on how you take put that matter, or how you take put that something for their mind. Na dem go still say follow am up. I dey try tell you this thing na because say ye don na ye pitan we ọmọ mewu ọmọ na amodokin ọmọ isha gbonari avere. That is, you still dey alive now. If you no understand that parable when I talk, try ask person. You now you still dey alive. You never old now. You dey enjoy your life. You feel bath in the morning, Monday till Sunday. You feel bath in the you feel eat from January to December. You go feel stay. You go sleep, you wake up. You no go hear from the children wey you born live for Nigeria for their papa. Understand me? Here where we know, and we at that time na ma dey take care of children. That was then. We be say na ma dey carry everything wey concern children. But e no come be like that again. Now e come be 50-50. Even sef no be even 50-50 again. E come be 60-40 or 70-30. Most times now women now they mostly they carry the responsibility of their children, because say we dey abroad. But they forget say money no dey there abroad as e be before. Understand? You now, I know say you get another children wey you dey take care of for here. Wey be say that they give you money, those children money, you no go fit use am out because of say you dey take care of that children, take care of another children here. But Vera, here where nothing is too small, nothing is too big. If na so, you with the papa now go share the children. Okay, now I go take two for inside. These two, I go know say na me wan just sponsor them. Not be say the rest, I know they bring money come for them, make them take the chop. You go take care of the rest, the three wey remain. Because you two, you get another children wey you dey take care of. We go understand. This topic that time, Monica fit carry am come out. I can't believe say you don't amend that situation. You don't do wetin mother supposed to dey do for children. But I don't know say you never see amend am. We watch am like last year for Monica program. You never see amend anything. My dear sister, I no come here come insult you. I no come here come curse you. I dey always dey tell you now, say if you sit down well, think am well, look front. Say if I don come old now, who go come take care of me? Forget about say maybe if you don old, who go take care of you? If you don old, if you too do something for Nigeria, for instance, say you build your house for Nigeria, you can't get everything for Nigeria as you want. But if your children not still surround you for that Nigeria, wey be say they will come see the house of you say, mommy welcome, mommy how you dey, mommy how your body. Vera, e no complete o. And meanwhile, these children wey you born for Europe, me I no get am for believe one day say they go follow you now go sit down for that Nigeria. Say they go follow you go sit down for there. No. The highest they will do, maybe if that journey don't tire them, they wan go America or Canada or even UK. Na so children wey dey Europe, na there they go and reach. Say they all pack their property go sit down for Nigeria with you, Vera. E no go dey possible. My dear sister, may you sit down, may you think am well, may you reason am well, may you see and say you now dey made you dey make a very big mistake. And those children, you dey put am for their memory now, which they will never ever forget for their life. Say if not be say they can't carry this matter, can't go social media, my mama for no help us, or my mama for no even dey call us, say you wan ask say how we dey, how we waka for life. They don't get that one for their memory. So now you as their mother now go try clean that thing now, comot for their memory. As they go take forgive you, you go always dey ask for their forgiveness every time, every day wey you take call them. You know why they tell you this thing? E dey my body. E dey my body in the sense say me I no born throway my pikin. Na papa and mama na e born me. They no take care of me. They can't leave me for my grandmama. Me they take care of me. I still thank mama small be say na im mama na they leave me for. Me they take care of me. And so now make am we be say I still today, if I still call my mama, I go still dey call am. They ask am say how you dey, how everything. But for my papa, at times my sister, I no go feel like you. 1 year I never dey hear from her. 5 months I no dey hear from her. Because why? The father love no dey there. So now the same thing now these children go still get for you. They no go get that mother love and that their father love. Now they go get. As e still be now, Vera, e never too late. I dey talk to you as you go take understand the language when I dey speak. Make you not say I no talk am well or I no speak to you well. Now make me dey talk na small as you go take understand the language. Go sit down. People fit dey clap for you say no mind them. Those ones wey carry am on social media, they don't baff. They never baff now. Their own dey their body. Yes, everybody their own dey their body. They use am wear cloth. They use am sew agbada. They use am sew isokoto. E dey fine. But this one, you know why people get interest? A matter of children. If na another thing just now, say na that you and that your sister, then they get problem, then they get hazards. Nobody go talk put. They will say me they go settle themselves. But as e be say na children matter, then make we get interest. We can't see me we put our mask more. May you know abandon those children. Because for front, Vera, you go suffer am. You go suffer am more. Out of those 5 children, 3 fit forgive you, 2 no go forgive you. This thing when I tell you so, go mark am. 3 go fit forgive you, 2 no go forgive you. Or 3 no go forgive you, 2 go forgive you. Go mark am. They must they remember you wetin you do there. They must they remember you. Because those children now you they look they now say they dey Nigeria. You don't know what they want become. Today they fit be president. Maybe tomorrow now they fit be president. They fit come be senator. They fit come get money for that Nigeria. Children of nowadays, they are very, very wise. You see pikin of 21 years, pikin of 22 years, e don dey build im house. No be all of them be Yahoo boys so. Na city struggle. House now for Nigeria na competition for them. No be all of them be Yahoo boys. You know what? They know they want use less money again. As it be those days. If you still look this Europe with this so now, you'll see and say now this might say una set now. We follow this river come. Now the Titan though. Now no they want release una money. But we will come that time. Parents go ask for money. We go give them double. You go see who they hungry. You go want give them money. But this time around, una wey come from river. Now, even if person dey hungry, una no dey wan give. Not be all of them. We wish some still get the heart of gold. Not be all. And wish you, Vera, they are among those ones wey no dey wan give. As far you can stay for 4 good years, you no ask for your children, you no know how they take eat, you no know the kind cloth wey dem wear, you no know the kind shoe wey dey their leg, you no know whether one dey sick for inside, you no fit get up since morning. You know say am say if na say another person own, you no go care. Meanwhile people dey here wey be say e go train my sister pikin, e go train my brother pikin. So if that person still see im own, e go train am. If na you no go fit train my sister pikin, you no go fit train my brother pikin, talk less of say na your own be this. My sister, make you go sit down, make you reason am well. I watch you one day when you dey say that they ask you make you bring your account number, make dem put money for you. You know say am say time dey come, people go use am dey begin dey mock you. You know why? Because you dey Europe as they dey Europe. They no dey ask for donation for their family o. Why e come be say your own come different? If you no dey see wetin people dey see, people no fit talk to you. No be everybody go fit come out come talk to you. If you no dey see wetin people dey see, many dey see am, they go quiet. Fine say they wan donate for you. I thank those people wey wan donate for those children. I thank those people wey be say they wan help those children. Make dem take achieve their goal. Na God na go still bless them. Na God go still bring their helper to them. I thank them very, very much. But for your own Evera, in a way the way Uma said there here, you no try at all. You no try. If you not let this your mess come outside, come here dey wash you at times, wey you go dey talk to other people. You go dey talk to them. In a way, ekpo magbe wa ejwe wakadolo wa jine wa we jine. If I look at another platform for people, this thing, video wey dem dey do, I dey see different comments. The way people take dey comment concerning you, it's not good, my sister. It's not good. Ìyẹn where I am here, we say ti wa we no wa je wo here, better clicks before try. The school no, if na school fees, you fit tell your papa, maybe the pikin call you, he ask you, mommy, they say mo pay for 50,000 for school fees. Okay, I go see 25 bring come for you. Tell your papa me put 25 join am. Now go begin dey share am. Then you just leave them for their papa. If you say that kind of thing, as that man dey so now you dey upper hand pass. Na so find money give am. Take go start business make you dey do, or take go start wetin you wan start make you dey do. Make you take care of those children. I no wan hear come again. You go put person as weakness. Say how much I go give am o, make take start. But in aspect of the money, I'll dey bring small comfort now. Make you take care of these children. Then I wan still pass here talk to some mothers. Not be all. Some women, not be all. We go don born, they don born 3, born 4, born 5 for Nigeria. They go come Europe again, come dey born. Iye mu dun wa no wa bia you a. Iye romo osalo bo avio ere. But this time around, born as you go fit take care of. Now it can't be o. E no be like that time when our mother dey born 10, born 12, they born a full everywhere. Children go make jaka for everywhere. The one wey you come talk to armed robber go come dey inside. The one wey you come talk to you come dey wayward go dey inside. It's not like that anymore. Born as you go fit take care of. Now it can't be now. If na only one, you're born now. If na 2, born now. You make sure say that 2 go make sure say you take care of them. The way you take once, wey they no go take suffer. But meanwhile some people, not be us, some women, they don't born finish for Nigeria, they'll come here again, come dey born. Then that's ones wey dey live for Nigeria, e go dey suffer. No still be all. Some still dey take care of those ones wey dey live for Nigeria. No be all. Go dey suffer. Vera beg, I dey use God beg you. You no see wetin people dey do so now. When I still watch this woman a video that day, wetin I call am, Mama Gladys, I see the way they curse your children. I see the way they give the insults. Over here na in house e dey, and they carry matter go give am. According to the way wey she take talk, I'm not there. You understand? We see, I see they come, I will talk to that one. I go talk to that one because mothers no dey do like that. Mothers, they no dey do like that. The good ones, they don't behave the way she's behaving. Me no see me, I do not know why. Una, wey dey so na dey motivate them, na dey motivate people. Una any small thing, I go begin dey insult children. We don't know anything. You don't know as you take enter live video. You don't know as you take dey do your thing for live video. The pikin just dey do, you know, dey go. Now go throw mouth comot. Now go dey throw for children. We don't know anything. Yeah, they use God, they beg you now. Mona dey leave children out of una nonsense. Mona dey leave children out of una mess. Mona dey leave children out of una useless and useless characters. Mona dey possess for live video. Mona dey leave una children out of it. Children no get wetin you do for inside. No be children push una go live video. So I beg Vera, I can't beg you. I can't beg because I don't want to talk to you anyhow. I just want because if I see I call you for phone, this video not go let me do it again. Maybe if I call you for phone now, as I take talk now, so you tell leave and there. Because you now you think say you are doing the right thing. You are not doing the right thing. You are not doing the right thing. May you try. I beg you with the name of God, go and take care of those children. Go take care of those children. Because you don't know what they will become tomorrow, What they will become tomorrow. Maybe by tomorrow now, you as their mother, you are asking anything from them. You are asking anything from them, they refuse to give you. People will not ask questions. They will not ask questions. They will continue saying, money or more dano, that child na bad pikin. You know they even take care of him mama. He forget wetin him mama fit do am. He forget wetin papa do am. Money or more dano, egba ogije. You no want take care of him mama. You no want take care of him papa. Wetin mama and papa fit do am. They go forget. They go begin dey slap that pikin. They go begin dey throw stone for that pikin. Why me I dey talk Vera? E dey my body. Dey my body, That make me can't use am. I can't say I use my own now to advise you. Because today, if I say my jest na jest, na him be jest. If I say my no na no, they fit talk twice on where I dey. They no dey fit. Because iwa domia yeme agbome, I did not see help. Mami yobo. So it's just like when you be carrying one that they struggle for their life. If not become be social media or people now will come hear the story, come begin to donate for them. Maybe at the end they go struggle finish. You now wey dey Europe, you go hear say one of your son now you don dey build house on a car dey ride. At that time you come begin to find number. you come dey find number that time. Maybe you say Joseph ìwọ jí ẹ gbéra wẹ̀, small small you come begin dey call them. People dey dis Europe wey their pikin dey make am for house no come Europe, their pikin go just dey make am for Nigeria. Ìyẹn Buhari man, go dey here. Their pikin go even some of their children go even from Nigeria tell am say daddy Adeowa go buy ticket for you make you come house. E dey. Me I don see up to 2. They go buy ticket for their papa make e come house. Meanwhile, their papa enter Europe when he leave them. I don see am. So my dear sister, make you change, abeg. I use God take beg you. Change. Where those your children wey dey with you for house for drink water, eat? Seek all those ones. Wetin una eat since? Una don eat? Oja, una go find food, una chop, even if you no dey there. Maybe they'll come tell you that time, mommy, we no get food for us. Okay, I go find 50 euro come for una next tomorrow. If na so, you look for person wey go dey carry those bag of rice, bag of beans, bag of everything, wey dey put am for house for them. Save Allah, you say it. No. Those children, they are not eating well. I saw their pictures. They are not eating well. Look at where they sleep. We wear a video, and when you see that video, were you not ashamed? Or the boy, even if not your mama or your papa, they sleep that kind of place, you go shame, talk less of your own children. Now mama be that, or papa next to be that. You go shame. Talk less of your children. I beg. Iya one more egbe, omo emuwai, omo ariagbon, omo oefe, omo okmo, omo everything. Even if you get estate today, you build the whole Italo today, or the whole journey where you dey there, you no get one pikin for it to come stand for you. Those words, they are useless. They are useless, my sister. Those words are useless. I beg you, try. May you work on yourself. Go sit down for quiet place. Reason your life. Reason yourself. Then you come out again with a nice color. Come out again with a different character. Don't be this one where you did so. Be this one where you did so. I beg you, with the name of God, try to change. So I beg, Mona, help me share this video as you go to reach Vera hand. I beg una, I thank una we subscribe for me. I thank those who never see subscribe for me. I beg Mona subscribe. Subscribe, we dey talk better thing for you. We know the quarrel for you. Now only advice now we dey give. I beg, subscribe to my YouTube channel and God go bless you for that hand which is subscribe. You go always grow from grass to grace. You go dey excel. Everything we define for life, you go see and God bless you. Bye bye.